Walnuts are one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. In fact, for 50 years, experts have gathered annually at a conference solely dedicated to walnut nutrition research, given intense scientific interest in their health effects. In this video, I'll overview 10 of walnuts' top science-backed benefits from brain to body. Do watch till the end, as I am sure there will be a health benefit that interests you. So do watch on. And if you like this video, do give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Rich source of omega-3. Walnuts contain a significantly higher amount of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids than any other nut. Just 1 ounce or about 14 halved walnuts provide a substantial 2.5 grams of ALA omega-3. This plant-based form of omega-3 must come from your diet to meet daily intake recommendations, and research shows that for every extra gram of omega-3 ALA consumed, your risk of dying from heart disease goes down 10%. Beyond benefiting the heart, omega-3s reduce systemic inflammation, driving most chronic diseases. They also support optimal cell membrane fluidity and signaling. As one of the highest whole food sources of essential omega-3 fats, walnuts uniquely promote lifelong wellness. Their high ALA content lowers disease risk factors and mortality while providing key building blocks to reduce inflammation and ensure cells function properly. For these reasons, make walnuts your go-to snack to easily meet omega-3 needs. To find out more about the health benefits of omega-3, do check out my other video here on omega-3's benefits in the link above and in the description down below. Number 2. Gut health. Emerging research suggests walnuts may support the health of your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria dwelling within your digestive tract. These microbes heavily influence whole body health, including immune function, inflammation levels, mood, and disease risk. Dietary choices directly impact the makeup of this internal bacteria ecosystem. And eating walnuts appears to be one way to increase microbial diversity and beneficial species tied to better health. In a study of 194 adults, adding just 1.5 ounces of walnuts daily for 2 months increased probiotic bacteria and inflammation-reducing short-chain fatty acids. While the reasons are still unclear, this discovery about walnuts beneficially altering gut bacteria profiles makes them that much more attractive as a regular snack. Remember that optimizing our microbiome guards against numerous chronic illnesses, from autoimmunity to mental illness. So, embrace walnuts as a tool for improving your internal microbiome health. Could walnuts become a go-to prebiotic for enhancing gut microbiome diversity and resilience? Number 3. Lower blood sugar levels. Regular nut intake has been linked to lower type 2 diabetes rates, partly due to healthy weight maintenance. However, walnuts also directly improve blood sugar control, independent of weight loss. Controlled trials in diabetics show that taking just 1 tablespoon of walnut oil daily for 3 months reduces hemoglobin A1C, a marker of long-term blood sugar management, by 0.3% on average. This is due to walnuts' healthy fats, enhancing cell membrane fluidity and insulin signaling. Additionally, compounds in walnuts may inhibit enzymes that metabolize carbs into sugars, reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. If you'd like to find out more on other superfoods that help reduce blood sugar levels, do check out my other video on 10 incredible superfoods that lower blood sugar levels, in the link above and in the description down below. Number 4. Sperm health. A study involving healthy young men found that adding walnuts to their diet significantly improved sperm health and fertility. The men who consumed walnuts had better sperm shape, vitality, and mobility compared to those who abstained from nuts. The reasons for this improvement are unknown, but animal research suggests walnuts protect sperm membranes from lipid peroxidation damage, leading to better sperm function. Additionally, walnuts contain vitamin E family antioxidants called tocopherols, which protect polyunsaturated fatty acids from free radical damage and boost sperm mobility parameters and counts in clinical studies. Number 5. Brain health. It's likely not just mere coincidence that the wrinkly surface of a walnut mirrors the shape of a human brain. Research indicates that walnuts are a valuable source of nutrients that support brain health. Studies show that those fed walnuts for 10 months, equivalent to 1 to 1.5 ounces daily in humans, showed significant improvements in learning skills, memory, and anxiety reduction compared to those not eating walnuts. Regular walnut consumption in older adults also correlates with superior performance on cognitive tests. Walnuts reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, increasing BDNF levels, which are linked to age-related cognitive decline. The polyphenols and vitamins found in walnuts also facilitate youthful DNA methylation patterns, supporting healthy neurological function. Additionally, walnuts are one of the highest dietary sources of alpha-linoleic acid, ALA omega-3 fats, which promote neuronal growth and development. Number 6. Powerful antioxidants. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s and antioxidants, with polyphenol antioxidants comparable to those found in high-phenol extra virgin olive oil. These antioxidants, including tannins, flavonoids, phenolic acids, and ellagitannins, help counter inflammation and oxidative stress in chronic diseases. The highest concentration is found in the papery skin surrounding walnut meat. Whole walnuts with skin rank in the top 4% of commonly consumed foods, outperforming other nuts and fruits. Walnuts' antioxidant capacity contributes to their health benefits, as oxidation of fats and DNA damage contributes to heart disease, cancer, brain decline, and accelerated aging. Consuming walnuts skin on maximizes their antioxidant protection. Number 7. Reduce breast cancer risk. Exciting research suggests that incorporating walnuts into your diet could potentially reduce the risk of developing breast cancer. A study showed that women on a walnut-based diet showed a 50% reduction in breast tumor cell growth markers compared to a control diet. Large-scale observational studies also found that women consuming 2 or more servings of walnuts weekly had up to a 60% lower risk of developing invasive breast cancer over time. The anti-tumor properties of walnut compounds, such as omega-3 fats, melatonin, and gamma-tocopherol, are believed to interfere with signaling pathways that enable malignant breast cells to proliferate. These anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects may also help prevent early cancer development. Could eating walnuts regularly help prevent or slow breast cancer as part of an integrative treatment plan? Number 8. Cardiovascular health. Extensive research confirms that adding walnuts to your diet substantially reduces risk of cardiovascular disease. Beyond supplying anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats, human trials show that eating walnuts lowers LDL bad cholesterol, including oxidized LDL particles, specifically linked to atherosclerosis. Additionally, compounds in walnuts enhance arterial function and blood flow while decreasing high blood pressure. These combined effects on numerous cardiac risk factors translate into remarkable reductions in heart disease deaths. For instance, analyses of over 420,000 people found that eating just 1 serving of nuts weekly, including walnuts, reduces chances of dying from coronary heart disease by nearly 10%. When it comes to functional foods that deliver concrete heart health benefits, few can match walnuts' stellar resume. Their unique nutrition profile powerfully counteracts multiple risk factors underpinning heart disease progression. Just a small daily handful can have massive implications for preserving heart health. Number 9. Weight control. Research shows that people who eat nuts like walnuts weigh less on average than non-nut eaters due to their specific nutrients and appetite signals. Nuts, rich in protein, fiber, and unsaturated fats, induce feelings of satiety and encourage chewing, slowing food intake. This leads to increased satisfaction and curbs overconsumption at later eating occasions. Nut consumers compensate for extra calories from nuts by reducing other foods, and they have healthier body mass index scores despite higher calorie intake. Nuts also contain compounds like omega-3s, magnesium, and polyphenols that may boost metabolism through anti-inflammatory effects in adipose tissue and the hypothalamus, further aiding weight control over the long run. Number 10. Mental health. Early but intriguing animal research indicates that incorporating walnuts into the diet could help counter depressive symptoms and improve mental health. Studies on rats showed significant improvements in anxiety, motivation, learning, and memory compared to those not fed walnuts. The effects matched or exceeded those of common antidepressant medications without any adverse side effects. Compounds in walnuts increased levels of serotonin and dopamine, which are common in clinically depressed patients, and increase the expression of the neurotrophic growth factor BDNF, which regenerates neurons. Do you know of any other health benefits of walnuts? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these incredible health benefits of walnuts. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.